To accept a Temu invitation using your computer, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection and a compatible web browser such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Open your web browser and navigate to the Temu website. If you have not already, create an account by providing the required information, including your email address and password. Once you have logged into your account, check your email inbox for the invitation email from Temu. The email will contain a unique link or code that you need to access the invitation. Click on the link provided in the email to redirect to the Temu website. You will be prompted to log into your account if you are not already logged in. After logging in, you will be taken to a page that displays the details of the invitation, including the sender and the purpose of the invitation. Review the details carefully to ensure it is a legitimate invitation. If you are satisfied with the invitation, click on the Accept button to accept the invitation. You may be prompted to confirm your acceptance, so click Yes to confirm. Once you have accepted the invitation, you will be redirected to a page that displays a confirmation message. You can now access the features and benefits associated with the invitation. It is essential to note that you should only accept invitations from trusted senders to avoid any potential security risks. Additionally, always review the terms and conditions of the invitation before accepting it. By following these steps, you can easily accept a Temu invitation using your computer. Remember to stay safe online by being cautious when accepting invitations and only providing personal information to trusted websites.